Assalamu alaikum jama'a, kuna kallon mu kan Sarki TV, ni ne naku Sarkin Faila. Ina cikin Italy, ina Brescia Privali. Na zo yi magana da dan mu DJ Nature of Masters Radio, online Masters Radio. Na zo ne iba mu experience shi kuma cikin garin Italy ga, amma cikin an karanci da mu yi wangan interview ga. Mbra.
Banje.
And welcome on Sarki TV.
Menga mafia is one.
Ofa no no introduce you if you are.
Actually, mingbe na ke for me Duke Fifi Green. She entertainment name is DJ Nature.
DJ Nature.
Makola ke 80% of artists ni chon bie ke ba London ke mo other part of Europe chon no.
I'm a chon hotel.
Like most of before I'm ba show, I mean here me links.
From Ghana?
Promote, yeah. DJ Ghana, Nigeria, some part of...
remember big man Jibu?
Oh, you know...
No, that's dinner, can.
Yeah, like, in promote most of the artists, then like, we handle or make my blogs, Leon.
Oh, okay.
Or like, because some stories, artists, in so much check because...
Oh, yeah, of course.
Handle or Facebook, like social media handles level.
That's good.
Then I'm going to radio side level.
Budanche. Online owner.
Yeah, with almost I would say any much.
Oh, okay. I was. No, now
being a DJ, being a promoter, being an event.
That's nice. Your DJ no fear tomorrow. Weddings, hello.
Coach me wedding ba, coach me party ba.
Minio.
One, shikabemi. Then agbe no ba try tane, bo no ba tolo machines. She can go in console ne keno club, hello pap. In a set, no matter party na kano mana club.
She club ka party nine club ka nine lo waya.
I prefer club or pub than party and wedding.
Oh.
Because with no way or na links.
Oh, okay.
Of one wish. Wanyo sheje meni moko ba sumo sane ba chebo amuko. Wanyo true no po wanyo na factory job. Wanyo na nuchumo amuko. You see, she me a trouble the same money libo. Lala ni a trouble try share. You understand? They mean promote me. It's an promoter me ha mbi.
Okay.
You understand?
Promoter me.
Yeah. Because I've been one of the Makola alone boasting. She one of the DJs I've played in Nigerian clubs for Ghanaians fair money. Yeah, I've been a secretary to a Nigerian club over 500 capacity.
Wow.
So no way na leo malala more.
Oh, that's good.
You understand? Than to play Ghana no party. My woman lala is the same thing. No oleomo she can try different in the mene ken na le me ngela fa show mo.
Yes.
They ma fit so most of the artists they can through me no be I mean na me toss no be.
Oh, that's good man. Ni know your gang to gang be fa oje.
Me inje dansoman. She afomi osu.
Afobo osu. Oh, okay.
O makola Fantenyo Jimi she yenga document.
Oh, Fantenyo Jibu.
Yeah, Papa Fanti, mami Adan.
Oh, okay.
She na for me Accra lebe.
No, you know.
Be Ganyo Jimi.
Oh, that's good. Before oba shisha no bablo che ni me to mami no chu.
Before my shisha musician Jimi. Nature and Agony. What about done the TikTok bar? What about
Nature and Agony?
What about done the VIP bar out? What about out done the book bag bar out? We were the first to launch our album in National
National Theatre.
Yeah, we were the first artist. Go check. Dwaso. Okay, Dwaso bar out. That those days, Lumba. I've been working number 1 or number 2.
Nature and Agony.
Yeah. Me. Tiny. Salam, no one issues come. Ninga bote music me. Then if business is few okay. Like no fiano.
Yo mi no ukashisha no bablo.
Nge shisha ni mbabote Serbia. Nge embassy tuni few ejeme. Dan shi.
No ba Italy.
Nge bote Italy. Actually in France few. Nge no, I prefer Italy than
language barrier alumini.
Not language barrier, but French no. You see, mafia mo kesuma.
And there were
issues behind me coming here.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
One of you.
The issue was in Chimuku, Oblanunko, he said, ke butimi, ke fangbe. Ne ba, we said, be an ole, ke o chale, mba de Italy, she Napoli, ni mi ko ke mba iko in Google.
No kwe.
Makwe binakanyo, makwe system a year before, 3 years before, and current. She ne we ke o chale ni mba je me fine. Ni Google ni ake Napoli Texas then from Pampa to yeah. So me nke no be ke le ni cheese na ke then ekule aje ko papa.
Yes.
So I gave him the benefit of the doubt in fly. Ni mba she ntwapa di na.
Oh.
Ewo ntwala hu.
Ni le no ke oba.
Le no we ke mba. Ntwala hu.
Hey.
I gonna feel a little bit stranded ni transistor ni through a link me ni anyuko ni nke shi Napoli ken languages fe you know like je no ko ni here slim she mean bafu
mi je benefe na kalo mi
na that is nke ba kase ni pi you understand because me at that time ni ocean nke ko tibie run nke amrobes like anything anyhow yes. Because of I believe in life it's no struggle no okay kaseni.
Definitely.
Education makes you, but it doesn't equip you. Yo, nke pa kaseni pi. She ni babote mi nke no. I have to use my talent. Ninke regardless the language barrier, is and my using talent leon. Because so babote mo ko mami one. O lo efiko ready. No nyo ka ko ba tashian. No me o wolu. Na agbenele wen man le wen je ni Iraq ni je mention they go deport me.
Yes.
So take life on my own hands. Even first day ni Shemane pon drive.
Obo driving.
Drive around to some years po. Yes.
No be no.
Yes. You understand? In ya try and show mba pepe. You understand? Okay, because the moment you sit there obaka onake and fear be family fear ko ani fear e capture pope o destiny fe e chake yo batasha on nke no it's an animal move because with a little ideas a little experiences when ba ko e bi most of Ghanaians a mentality ji ko be wolu ebe is an auto. No,
because I don't tell you because of me. Was one could tell Mobu. Niko ba ashin alu
ni mba that internet no. Read the system na ke Italy for mo deport mo. Ke ba deport boy, but fe no ko serious. Wo be chale. Ama yimi be amomi ami wolo na ke nke shima ami nshibie.
I control before.
Yeah, ya na lawyer ke o chale. Isani ma ami. Ma di Germany, she in case buying system for 10 years. I won't put a story in your Google, a story ni AIU.
But lawyer story.
A story. In cook story, she na ke no jemu go ne face serious. So he information self any shegbe no go that's been.
O shegbe.
Oh no more. You see traveling is like a war field. The moment you put no you have fear and anxiety, you won't put for HIV.
And quality.
Fear and anxiety, but it destroy. So no matter brain say no, it won't get come ba fitai.
Yes.
And get come cool enyo. So God being so good when you one thing it depends on where you stay. I mean, no one particular thing that you have call for be no baaje
nkatikobo no mba bi brother na no ni kele ju no mba egbe no ona ko ablojuko eno ba land here jeme the starting of yeah
even if it is ni eji ka prepare o mind ake chale with or without you have to make it eno baaje it's an onyon fe no ku emi ke jeme ye rugged denche mi amoyin ake don't rely too much on
people,
people. No more. That is my life. I don't really rely
on anyone.
I don't sit in the midst of Inyema Fe, Ewae. Ebe easy. No.
You have to overcome it.
Yes. It was me I challenge myself.
It's definitely.
Dane. Oh, true no. Feel. No more in your truck.
Or drive a truck.
Yeah. Because she and by him Papa like a hustle, grounds. Yo, le can't be boom, hardcore boom.
Yes.
You walk wa onyo kalaru.
Yeah.
He wo me wana ke no, Charlie. The right boy.
Yes.
You walk fano, me ke fano. Enyo eshion, ya gan. Me denche a container if you for me a truck me denche nwa na fi.
You know me your license no
forget.
Obeno kunuku.
Truck me go license. No lo put for create.
Wow.
Yeah, the money on feel lo ami mo e mi to 35. Je Ghana nyo. Yeah.
Wow.
We ma to club, scan mana e ke banale.
You know ba man no bon DJ nchumo.
No,
look at the guy.
DJ and homie ke je ga she it wasn't too much. She no bote bi ene na ge no, chale. Ke bi ya le be no ni le few
Yes.
In Kayimi, because I was with most of the radio stations. Ke more good, ke more Choice FM.
Choice FM ga.
Way back. Oh, Fifi Pratt me fan.
Yeah.
Like nimbote mi na ke no. This is the chance next ani gbomo. Oh, Celificator me ke ni bi fan gbomo ka me ni.
Oh, nice.
Using Doof, Alicia, a best DJ. The game best DJ in Electra.
Wow.
Like a whole lot. a whole lot.
Wow. Yo kata tam no ba experience no na gata make a bia ne mean the difference no na man system.
The system is like it's an old choice to mo lion. Yeah, jungle. Whatever happens, says I know pure grass.
You don't call him.
No matter what, it's I know pure grass. Then you are anywhere oje Africa. Opportunities ni oje me government chakio yani bo destiny ni bi no to no fie go na yen mo ko ba ata no eke e chaki system me ga affect she bi ene system afu mu we ko bo temi system run no mu so you go by it with or without ko yen be shin of one nji so me in your life ake ke ye mi awon nkan the news egole akene ke nkwe ni manye nke e check ninga wo yo na mi try ke mi fi ambulance course okay. Ni la mi fail first one ni covid na ba yeah she be na make o ba fi online. These are some of the things of one because
ambulance driver
you me cannot drive it means more drive is my hobby.
Oh, that's nice.
The intake life ake is not easy. What fen well ake is not easy, so there's nothing you can do than to move and survive. From those time, let's say mbotemi 27. Kenke compare biane difference agbo ni one thing in naunji ka mbotemi don't think too much yeshian ake chale mi pese nyanyo ni alomene ngbeke ni the moment you know oba slow down.
Definitely.
Because bi eneke o time shage o gba mi about mon computer. No osun. No fi anu ke time she ake
e ba together.
Ja nyumoke numwe obi she malebu unless o global focus.
Definitely, yeah.
Ni mistakes ke ba neke mi fi sure no ne ba nko la ke kaseni.
Oh yeah.
So I have to step on it.
So you have to learn from your mistakes.
Yeah, then a move. I've never regretted. No.
You never regretted anything?
Yeah, okay. No. Because it was slow.
Wow.
The moment ni ma regret that yes, nkebu if you no go ni oye mi awi. Ke in regret pe egwele ma habo ye mi.
Yes.
Na gbene no ni sa ma fi be no. Ewo ko fe mi no ko either ma habo space feel no she I have to move. I won't regret ko.
You won't go forward ever.
No mo nkwense.
Wow.
Over on nji. Nkwense ni kejebe ni nawolo. Nutumo fe ni mi njomo mind ni je nutumo fe aside DJ nutumo fe no ba ke ntumo matu. Because she mbo ko na kan no ni ba bi akan ata office.
O choose pick yalo
no. I mean for human rights on course.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, because me faced stenography. I wanted to be a journalist.
Oh, okay.
Of Onuji. Yeah. She be in a language barrier.
Yeah.
She still in my letters. Okay, I radio stations lolo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before starting school, Lala Jenke Igbeke Jeshian in few copies. Nin send on Kenya stations going na metrola. She artist pushy me. Mo ogle ofini amo expect I get share link epo.
Le artist share.
Link epo ake chala. So it's like Mbagbejemela. She be an me fight ake ma tajeme.
Oh, okay.
Most of the best Italian stations no live me dane ake one day ko bagbe. Aside that le we ke factory job mintu. Onushi ake you shouldn't have to rely on anybody. You shouldn't have to think ake is ani gbeku agbele. Ko ya na gangbe egbele anukwale. So no I've never regretted because the moment no regret pay it was slow me down. The system any water me it's slow with or without that ni no na me set ke function no kaje
because bi an one ke to interior minister alumini money you no bi an emi system to the extent poko ba po e wolo na mo po e wa
oh no
mo ake mo me nyo nu e na me ba ka me ba po e chale
bi an
interview am 30 days alu about 30 days ko no shima mi ke mi
na kan ni bi e fe kan abo e o na ke the problem we have as Ghanaians
alu Africans.
Let me use Ghanaians.
Okay.
Because Nigeria, you know, nkame niye ke chefi.
Yeah.
Me documenté. E move no.
Ke documenté ba.
Eba. Ke ba le nwe e homi. E homi a nte prison ya meet osofo po na le wa jail le da.
Wolo sane.
It's not problem few.
Oh, okay.
Le me ya for almost a week yeah. Yeah, through entertainment.
Yeah.
What the problem that we face as Ghanaians, like Ghanaians, what we our fear ni big me a disturb our mind feel we don't learn, we don't seek informations. Kake no ake better shit. Seek information. That is our problem.
So far na care no you know.
You see, ma'am, you know your language can no your problem it's an overcome.
Definitely, yeah.
Over no shame jo moje o nte nuchumo mi tono nkwa nuchumo nkwa amu ke shito ke nine ke batashe. She know system eje na gain.
Yes.
It's ani ke mo ke boy bo ba find out. Ekole dey ne ke boy so lo ni you see one thing most Ghanaians your my name don't know ji to mo town laws ko me ni je no your beshia man.
Oh, okay. Difference.
I'm telling you.
To mo meaning laws na ken.
Ekole abake bu amabo is an example. Abaya ke ekole be na work 4 o'clock. Beshia is an over 10. Should we are in the same a city, yeah. So tomo kucho
yeah.
I've been ekole o community officer benefit ko meni anyo ekole yeah the next ekole school fees you see ni bi ko me ekole ko te wa bi mi abake o fine ekole wa anyo kwebo na fe ne ke na choice na they don't do it
yo kake
ne ke no ake nti ukwa sa na kan no na ameke shin man yes see Germany you see London you and those are some of the problems in na we Ghanaians say shike oba kasini day by day to money obane onake no mi nkwe no go film mi nkwe news
yes
eko me manu nshi eko me nu nshi non manu nshi nke fun
yes
over nshi so at the end of the day be ni ba chele I know what to do she Ghana nu ene ba na podenche adum alo nka aka hin she o mami adum peace you know she system you know your no me is no but way because no me ho
yeah because no you know your system
yeah o she an all wanyo ke fo at least 2-3 hours school she 24/7
adum
local ni agbena obajepo ni se nke wo chenu ko chu ni sheni chu ngala ke chale bia na ke lewe no enku ike ni you na e man me 32 years ni dane
le both way
peace FM alogola dom. It's
Maybe
good.
tane nuno ni yaro hega.
Ni je no kono ya. You understand? Well, at the end of the day, ke egule ni mimba yen shikayende. No bi agen mengeje ni ke o.
Ajashka.
O tun po no ni ajaye.
Ole.
O ba ke mi eni pa boni.
Yes.
She bo tun ese no boy you don't know.
Because le bo tu ni yaro ene yo akuche ne yo.
O na ni. Yes, na gbene another thing ji like wo onu shi.
Na kesa ni ne efia eni wa ya fe mo fia mo wi o.
She je ni wo kenke wo ya ele mi magbla mi.
Yeah, bla mo mi awo.
Ke ma wa bu esa no wo
Te.
Oh, in the office.
Ko ba wa mi ele be esa no wa mi.
Yes.
Ni zete ma wa yin te.
Oh, in the office na ke. Ne ke. Oh, lele. Be ba shi an wo check.
That it send my one age, you know.
Yes.
My ba. Kono watch check.
Sure wa ke mi ake. Yes. E wo je ma ko ake ya no abi.
Yes.
Je me ba du mo ko ba ke wo wa wo. Yes. E wo na ni ake wo wa wo wo elenyo.
Yes.
Chake
most like Ghanaians say was small way no wa wo yi.
Je Ghana pe ho. Na Nigerians we ake Ghanaians wo wa wo yi wa. I'm telling you, Nigerians.
No, I'm a Najinu.
Yes.
She won na different.
One na Nigerians.
I'm a wame.
Shamo I'm na ga wa I'm na ka me wame kra. Ni je mu go ke me have moved with them for ages. For ages.
Ni mi no e bale na ka.
I believe ake mokome a toy play mokome fanfu. Of one nje. Nga bo fe o system em. You ko lo ba le no ko ni mi le.
Yes.
Onu shi the way ni bo ba approach me. Ne manake esanma chio ise alo nye ekumele un lele ne sane chio ise she wa because if like ke e wa boy no ni na bo ba na eko mi be na kan motive no mwe kenke boy nuchumo ko ni ba na nke me ni nke bote na kan nuchumo mi e bo amanye shipo ni mi no nshi nuchumo yeah
wow mi no
oh but one thing blacks were leji bro for me I'm a small wo fi eko mi bro for me keje tititi e wo ask money e use bo nek wa feel fine e wo ba na go chale ope ma se mo ope ma se she no fit ale ni nti na ope wa se
yeah
e wo ba na go ope ma se be bun ogboyi e ke mi mo ya chobo mo gbonyu that is what brings all this e wo ba na ni mo ko e na nu chumo enye ke mo kwa she me regardless alo aside no ni happy potential ken no aka chance be ene
obawa moko
oh just be feel ne je ni ngen shintiti be feel ne ngeme enyo a apako
ona
only because at the end of the day go fufe na kan mo ba have pressure alo mo na bo ne age chale for no am 2 euro o am 3 euro she titi be able ma be ayigule feel age ke idna no chuma abo e ne ba chop no ba wale na afi no go ehia e na bodon
because we be no choni
yes am on na kan je am instead of ba na bo ne ba age ewo onakunu tu ai wa ke tete mi an chuma ba ken jemba ba shia no o ba yini ngonu na so fe no nu odan no lo to pla aba bo no shia ho ewo mi na ke wo wa wo he mi stroti
yes
no mo inni ma teshima bo shia ke nye ni minto information na enu ishi ni lele un no le no nyo wa mi se ko le sane gba mi bo po ko le ni o le se o le lo jugba o chale ba o check online because phone for internet le kam alo ka yes alo ko le ka wo ile ashi machine ma na le
yes
ko ni echiwo ise
yes
se o te se o ba no yes mi ne ke ko ba you ba use the word
yes
no maka ke o su kona ko bisa ko bisa na we ami su me kwa ko bisa of onu nshi wo e mi strot ake wo wa we yes ka ju enwa ake mo go mba wa bo onu nshi abrochi afi oweku shi ke weku eyin fe mo you just move on because no ba o passport mi agma ko ake kwesi ba wa bo yi
yes
of onu nshi shia no ona ake wo wa we shi abrochi each one for himself go for us all of onu nshi ni ka na ake mo ni wa bo efe bo sha mi na ke na ka ni e benjo mo mi to mo gbele nge ngbasa ni o lakami ni le ago no maye because after all you are telling me I don't have to take it by force again what you are telling me I should obey or I should abide or I should receive no okay me na ka ni You go your way, I go my way.
Alright, did you done? Bien what banye Italian benefit system, alo social system te your time because one ke Italian London wo yo, one ke Italian be pi ame jufi. Ame ba Germany. Think system yo ten ana me jufi.
What system because be me make all right. One ke ofo no tuni. No is an na obana. Ko ya bi mi obana. Na gbene onyo ka ke otuni no expect benefit. You understand? Ni ko kwe bi ene okwe Italy le ake no bo steady. Marriage is breaky to mo nye German.
Yeah, because comment ma binu because Germany marriage is a break.
Obana ni mugo nye German again le me kumeni amegbopo ni amengamenye na ma ka ke nwune wa kala o glacia because of one
misunderstanding ba me
ke 1 pound 3 pound na
yeah no land quality.
She be ene hardly no ba na ke obanu ake akashi mashi ke nge pa ye benefit. You see, what
no am sure system
was none me no because in ke PA basan in BBP on radio none PUOG I mean thought na me be a future no jina na me you she come ba she nye German and ba she UK then am you age chale social ninety you she be an dey coming back because be an call 28 hours so o passion o ba wo agbene wo no go na chole malatia ekolo o an doctor e about 3 days off ko ke wolu ete aba pay she ye sure agenye German je company se fenfio na
an kwale ni ye
male je company se fenfio na kwale ni ye be no shipo no go be wale po no mo go du mo tun enze na ebote ona ni bi ene ko twa o ita we se ogbena London ko twa 3 hours se no kole o kase ko ni bi ojogba be no twa 2 hours no twa 2 hours e wo kenken ye wo mi wo bi ene to me was social no social. I prefer beer. One, I can go by you kuma me health system, not the social health system. Ni Italy or health system number 1.
Table for number 1.
What system in Finland? Many by German people are still they have a residence. Maybe I'm a contract.
Cook health system better number 1 in which way? Ben about Kwebualo.
Ben about Kwebu 1, 2. Agbene like with the like everything in combined.
Ni nyepio to nyepio.
Oh that be
okay nyepi.
Ke ochuni e alo ye wolo e. O health card e no fi anu e mi. Ke spike no onani operation do whatever do. E chon.
Ni adjust ka
ole na adu e.
Okay.
She ko pay ba o pay on ba pepe. Onumo phone no yi o pay no your monthly e ba pepe me ya for operation ye nane mbatashi 8 months 8 months I pay insurance in pay me in company in pay aje no go in shika e ba pepe
your health insurance oleni schedule
no ele njo hepo no for as number pepe ni yenyanyogo le we apply UK I will let daddy. She me no happen. Na straight na near fine.
Oh no no to mo be na ba Kwebu e.
No mo me na UK hospital to mo Kolebu.
Oh me no.
I'm telling you.
Chale health system me na get the whole world.
I'm telling you.
Because now national health insurance in NHS free.
Maybe on. Bien you see the I don't know. Italy, the caring when it comes to our health sector, it's awesome. I'm telling you, the way ni.
Allo because of me fit mo bien no here or
you see, Nyejeme Nimbako.
Yeah, Europe.
You understand?
Yeah.
They don't want to go. I'm telling you, no so more. Where seminar ko no fi ni UK bi ba France bi ba ni le UK bi ni ko men tuni banks ke won I mean system ni obi e o bank je ni ya clean
banker
cash banker onage the wish
agaba ba
you know when you look at the shia po mi hile bonche kumo bi
oh yeah bi nimba na nyeshia lele
yesu ageke
nimba na me na mukumeshia challenge nye bi na le challenge it that too much serious
yesu ageke you can pay 2,000 pounds
oh eba she
yes there's a mortgage can
eba she
you understand
go whole neck go metal challenge
ni what me I look at all those things I can prefer ake I would rather prefer ake can be a dry man mo ameba school in UK than me upon all my hustling and bustling rewinding back to
wow starting
eko ni nga ya himoko one room mi ya in Israel nga ye Tottenham mi ye East Ham you see it's this life I believe it's all about planning with social or without social. Ona get no social nke bonye social or no social no ba mo ko mami o ke social ba no way you no bring social
yes
o mami put enje
no social well no natural social
no need do people that are working na me fix contract. I'm telling you those are the people who are moving out and no need do me
sure lutumo neighbor social mokoma
yes I'm telling you.
No, a fixed contract.
I can talk ben ma cha me gbe no ato am. And excuse me to use this language. Ona ke yesu age you can be back don't be silly. Allo don't be Jacob.
Yes.
It is stupidity. Like it doesn't sound well. O tuni no ne sa no na gbe na o no ko ni every 6 months say o ba afi ko afi no about family ko light ke hospital ne to find you know he fair akwa back
every 6 months
yeah I think yes a year ko light bill kind of ya
amahabo ska back
oh kwe
light bill
or paracetamol cause my high paracetamol so 3,606 billion
amahabo ska at the end of the year
amahabo
in the form of a tax akamabo tax return
back energy back to sender.
No man di tomo ko chunuchumo at the end of the year I get tax return ababo shika come back
well
to for no why ababo shika back
ya paracetamol so 3 billion anything any medical issues ni ekole e chose ni o doctor bagman ni bia ne wanyo ko doctor po
fair agreement
chale ni pe me mi to matashi 1 week no pay 1 CD. UK atashi am 1 week.
Ti wo je mo ko menya fi ona kamu. What say come consider. Amenya me habu.
Be ko le go amesmo nu tumo no.
Yeah. No social no tumo le sometimes o no fe naka. Because we no lose onu tumo. Go continue we no lose onu tumo.
She be an call fix. You see the most painful thing be an most companies say in the company ko ni nke CV tejeme manager apodente printer mo ya mi age mi Ghana bi ne ke tuni ne twa me no tumo 10 years 15 years na me passport a me share fiam she India nyo e ke ba ya e ke mko ba we Nigeria bi a me fe an a Greek farm job podente we an ko ata India nyo ba because e shi keke
because ke mko ba hoje
ke mko ba hoje me
she wo Ghanaians am sure keke
ya pone je tumi ne wo pone sa ne ya fen ne efu egbe mi ye you know where state e share na
free council houses
yes e ko me poete na me gbe holo je me yi na me ke nchima agbe na me ke ishka bi na gbe ne every 2 months e ko le bi e la ko e chop plane ticket kele ba hospital bi
I'm
telling you. Wow. So what is the essence of the social?
Maybe I'm
the thing is the mind and yes. Makola 60% of those people in UK and Germany. Young guys onupa P ni yes. No need do I communicate with a lot. Na gbe onage radio enutumo no otu na
informations
coming. Yeah, info is an Dubai and bana a little embassy am mama through me. Okay. Yeah, no me where Rabbi. You see oba himukoma. E ke meje safe.
Yes.
Ke obey. No abide by it. No tuni. Me need your problem.
Obe problem.
Leona, one thing in small be on the but if you more criminal cases in BFN, call a family committee. Okay, say potential. It depends. Yeah.
Because of the family know you.
You can again yeshka. Be a meshka all right. You can yeshka the annual flight make a wash.
Oh, definitely go wash.
Oh, she no get me again. Oh, the social say. A go go on she make
Nyekpa.
because you see, it was the mindset of Nkembi yani ya wa me. Come in she be na come course. Come back she me. No boy you on she we know all this. Ba member.
I member back.
I member to mo crying like that.
Then I'm a small social don.
Enye. Because both system oh mind ko body for train le for 8 hours. Ye be.
Oh, Jemelo wa chu e. Oh, Jemelo wa chu 12 hours, 14, 16.
Oh, 8 hours e be an one oh extra fee open at the ward. Every weekend so I hear a boy. E go shi.
Sarky TV.
Because ekule no we shi an ye be no gbeko na. You see, lack of planning. Na abrochi mi life ni nke moko be nle mama moko no make nkele challenge ni mi nkwele alo. Mi challenge ni yesterday.
Yes. Of course.
My challenge is my yesterday.
Yeah,
no
definitely.
nle moko ni make I'm looking up to this to become him or her. No. At all. You see, ko boy ka fi tashi alo boy nyemo UK mi no o interview na kan me ni ke jo ambies.
Mini.
Jo ambies. Je jo am bi ake twi pe. Da me po ye ni jo am bi. E moko e gapo ni ejo mo po.
Oh Charlie.
You see, ni $1. $1 ke o system we ya o system like o here records. Ko shi we o kefe ya o shi ko because o mo pension we be. E wo bo can block mo.
They
leave their documents, they leave their residence here.
Me no e kefe ya nyongulo.
Because of hospital
they take all their commission residence. E wo bo she and this and no na le cheap. Alo she and this and no bana.
Because of the still no una.
So there are a lot of people who are working na me nyebu jina me to share. Because they never ship them if it share fe basa.
Oh Charlie.
Basa. You see, bi ana ya me ani tunamo.
Ewa.
If to go there be.
Wow.
I'm on a
waiting list.
I'm telling you. I'm on come ba. If I get by we was last 2 days, 4 days, but now 3 months. Eka. Ni ebe ko ne ba wo. I'm telling you.
Wow.
You see, so it's a whole lot. The thing is, we need to learn, upgrade yourself. Inya nuko papa le un square na ni bukra.
Neti.
Domo shizon. Ni bo 2 hours ni. O company one small san. O boss poke ba yakaya. You see, so no one call we social no minga ke. So man, no way, cause ke have 1 error, no tuning, no low management. You see, she am me, different me. Me be approaching him by it's not Italy back per force, I get by force, I get in Yama mansion.
Yes, no one calling here.
Ke be a share over your matching within 2 years.
Yes.
She quite the package of 40 or 60% many fan in the package. The mentality is any say me bibi will feel. Say me bibi will feel.
Say me
bibi will feel. Yes, it is good to do bibi will feel.
Yes.
She got fear, but you have to go cry.
What I machine,
machine. You understand? So these are some of the na gbene ni e ko botemi.
Yes.
O se kun ewa.
Yeah.
It's like magic.
Yes.
Oh, botemi. O se kun ewa. Mo ko anye botemi dey ba ke enyemi as a time ni me by share I was like Charlie, sama ya.
She's Charlie.
Sama ya. Because ken kwe in cafe in internet ni Dell computers brand new ones.
Oh Charlie, no she fan.
nshini like in your like you run no
yeah ofio no
no way kem gun sacho no in the dollars in papa you age infio chofo ni mbotemi na gbe no cho akwa o cho John Yeko with all education because of traveling she issue ekwo kan shi awon sa no ku age no Charlie Bema dey say
yes
we are bold then you move for kenke ba ma share testimony kwa boy makolage Nyabuchi start ne forget the award say no na Nyabuchi start ne makolage 5 years
5 years
makolage Nyabuchi start
5 years
yes
minio
onage ko obot no ni nkase ko obotemi ka calculate year ni obami ka start mo year no ona paper no born tu me born tu mo ni na ko paper mo she ko kwa ke
be fita bloche no ba
she ona ke ko kwenu e o fi otomo delay
okay
of onu ji
wana ko waste some years ko
of onu njo
yeah
she ka kwe DJL no me hustling me no you know and it's my passion
yeah
she ake na company na ke o kule na company ni o fire me ni makola ke 6 to 5 to 6 years me ne
no na ke biana lo ya blochi
no owoje no mo ahemolo yende ngolo poni na poden chaza yende ku
mi neba
o mi wole ayende ku na ke awolo ya info ameda abe ya ona me twa me ne ko me po na ya me no na me mfu me po ya kulu amage amele aka yin no nkulu amage chale akwa habu amele aka yin no
je show mo e chale
ni ya kulu ame e won because wife ka amage mo ni ba kulu je la e no eche you see
na mamele
it is the mind
yeah no la no kwale
no mo fe mi
no you believe aka si oba na ulu back
oh no mo ni mi blacho ni ko tie stop me imi ulu on ka e le po ya mi website ko ni ya ni atolo ya free
wow this is
so it is the mind
yes
my mind tells me okay I will make it
yeah, of course
you understand ni chale ko believe o to family moemi o believe o ni moemi
yes
kono just o focus the negative words take it away from you and that is what is causing those people to move because ne nye ejomo friend ke la ke me kechi mo London mu yeyi ni bi eno yo ekule for all you know you are better than someone who is there
maybe amele
of onu isi ni money nko mi le system ele
yeah of course
come on baby enyen why can't offer obi 16 13 like move am with all the education or put amede ko ni ko lo no ya won o na school aisha muko ba nye acho no gulukutation ne ba nye ifen eskana ke machine ale je ba enjoy man fifi ba ifen ke te e atotun iyen bi e be wo pound 3 pound je muko je ni muko gba mi no den chale mi fa 6 pounds 30 pounds me ho na ska no asa na me ye nya baby a me ni me yire betina
wow
why after all your hustling e ko lo chonu eyin poke bayi
yes
nini modromo so the thing is just focus your mind ake baby a mbashe jemen ake hami
yeah of course
but the greediness and selfishness is causing a lot of these things to happen now at the end of the day they will come back to what they can be a nation be for help you go kwa any trouble ni ejeme chale find job give me I won't just come
when I want to ma find out in the Holland I get to mo ko use o address to mo bia ni nyeshia ne mo ko ba use o address ahio ameshika be on the same thing
be na ye ke my favorite residence ya boy mo ko ba nya able to €800
for a year alumini
yeah year e fe abo ni ogologo afọ
Holland I come ahio £100 €100 a month
wow if you ekume bi na mo ko ba fe residence to mo obe bi ye she ban e ban bo be call a residence o na access to
so many things
egole cause ko be residence ke o document ho home office eje epo
because of obey address
na gba trace na gbe no be health card wo health card no fi actually codis card no fi no card go machine mi again ba cho no fi no
health card
obeku ne sa residence
that do na health card okay
onu nji ni no po ye wale po fi documented
health card ona
of onu nji
yo mo fa mo ka be ni charge o ko ba residence
mo wa kubo 1000
wow
ke kubo 1000 ke bola bi olun ba ko ba ja no be o bola po o chen la o
to le share bola bill
o ba pi
because of o address e je me
address e community o pure das bi ko pe na ye ke light po ifta ya mo no le
wow
easy me na kama ya ni bi I don't look ke in ya sese mafi ya nkwe ke bosumo ndo ba mi shin photo te abo ake ni mi ona in small stress cause ni eden je mami eden je stress na gbe ne I always want to be free and happy na mind ni nke hustle nke fe ni bi of onu nshi be me bi o mi ake chale if for do ko ake o chale ma to mo gonkulo hapo.
Oh, okay. I want to move for residence.
Ma to mo kunkulu abo because ma fi abo ne ba anyo ana problem ke ba mi no baba.
Yes.
Of onu nshi ma to mo kun abo ni mo a charge bu ke mo charge bu o skete mo de wa na jomo. Of onu nshi. The shuwo wo no wo fi owo yi. I always say ke wo shfagbe mo ni wo chon wo aye. O le mo jo kele ntwa. You don't know the person
yeah.
But you are always nagging and competing. You don't know you see ngake bi ntwa bi ke papa ntwa wife ke husband ntwa because of chicken change. You understand? Me na kama jani bi I don't want it. I don't think about your wife ele body you ele wonu chumo number ele noni ba ele code ele card code. Cause my name
ko wife live na ka wana je ba live happily ona simo ko na ke wife live live pie ke tio ona
ken be pie gbogbo ni am account e kan ni mo ya me ngame ka me e ko pu na e te ko ma
because le pin number
e ko ma ni e wife le e pin pu ne ba je 1 euro pu ne pa agbegbe ni te ko ma je film e ma name it's stupidity.
DJ o fa na ke mo gonko wo bia ne ye hia eta ne ya ye gan eta ne ya yi nu eno le lewo yi Libya awon de ke ba Italy mini advice o ke ma mo
nu na pe
da bi mo nta le ba blochi maybe mo ye hia e tunu tumo fa e na shika si enu ablochi le nta ne si ne ba Italy mini advice o ke ma mo
before put market na kan po I wish mo ake square mo fia mo afangbe ne pa kaseni because woman wo nupa na metaje ba me bi kokora be man.
Yes.
Of onu nji me I wish I can get na opportunity ne kule onupa ko jimi ni ye private jet so every week e ma lo me keba
no fa ba
casino ko
yes
like oba twa 1 year lo 3 years no ke casino ko no ya hia no a cho business na agbene me ni ye business ni amento amefangbe no mo I won't stop anybody because mo fear mo ke star
no la kwale
of onu nshi mo fear mo ke boni akebo wish you wish say you won't come where you have job you won't sell am go ahead and sell am then yes. Come yes. I won't tell you I get member no ahanye o ba mi wom ahanye na mitim
no ko ke ka ba wa ke abebo ye je mi no osmo neighbor
that be why they talk say come come hustle then go but just make not sell your things just save some find somebody make it go what your job give you find money go through the right channel
and come
if you feel like passing through the desert if you are 4 no say maybe you no go come you no go reach yes. Maybe you go I no go tell you say don't pass there. You understand yeah. Every no am fear mo be ke time dey wa gbogbo ke eni ba anye survive e da ni ba gbo mo ko ba anye gbo e bi na ba fun le ga mo wa anye ya gbo e ga po le me no fear no eta but make sure ke when you arrive you channel your mind with or without you enter. Make sure okay, whether it to chop 10 years, 15 years, you go get what you want.
To survive.
Don't challenge with anybody. Don't think okay, somebody wey I left am for Ghana, he pass me. No. As you enter, you close that chapter.
Of course.
Maybe first, second, third year, you go communicate. Yeah. But after 4th year, Charlie, you're finally.
Yes.
What prelim said, so just close that chapter. If you like, just Charlie, I will call you. So say you go, you go have
focus.
Focus. Don't let whatever you go see or you go hear diminish your star or your action. Just move and make sure okay, you move with the right people. If you know bad no more, that is the most important. If you know bad get you famous sure get bo mochue
make sure
oba feel no get Jimmy because none naji ke oye respect ke on here before mo go approach boy more ba na but the way they go ba communicate even ko ohojo ami because me choko na me here degree doctors ni me trasako na me le ABCD so eno ba ho can no
slow down.
Make yourself bright in that dark location.
Yeah, exactly.
So that is all I can say.
No, that's very good, DJ. Hello, you are done. Madalo, you no kono kwa fita ya ho. Okay. Mano ka no kwa fita ya ho.
Le document ke ni bi ele bo modern.
Oh, madam Beck, kemo no ko feel regarding to more be documents na mo sani.
Go na document. Bien un document na mo le. Baja me fi to mo.
No la hosta.
Coronavirus ne bane. Ameke me na me ye mi omo ko le o chela ke. O ye mi before
February.
Me before March. Ko ye inside before March. O go ye mi ko le 2019, 2018 ye ye ni obe document there. Aba fi abu.
Amabo document.
Yeah.
Amabo document ko na mo ko ni.
About residence.
Oh, okay. No corona bane.
Corona ne bane.
Oh, okay.
E ko le ke mo e ona farm ko. Mo ko de farm. Alo ko le o wa kwe chu mo ko ni to mo.
Ebe wale. Yomo.
Alo no ko aba fi abu ke mo ke mo chu ni e register boy. Ni bo ye no ko approve ke o. Iye bi before this time aba fi abu. Ko e no ko anye balake letter ko na se ni abu. Hospital ko note no ko do afi with paper. O wa ko ke no fita he ke ogbe ko ni.
Aba fi wo lo.
No je advantage ni o man em. Italy wo lo na mo.
Ewa.
Up now bi ana. Amba fe me pie jeje me na.
Amba fe wo lo.
Aba fe wo lo. Aje Germany, aje Holland, aje nyama me egu me ba amba fe wo na me wo.
Ni DJ ni corona ba. Na mengbo ye mane mi e tenye nye feel it because mo we je me won fun anye because na ke itala nya gbo to 100,000
won fun anye be nye fun won fun wa anye
serious won fun na ke itala mo aba tan
wo le wonu dan po wo ye pa anye is
it the whole the Italian
the oldest yeah population yeah
ami yo wala wa me aba club we club yes
lombo ya club
hey tomo be nobody tomo be nobody ene ikule June July yeah oba ya club ko ni oba na me son
yembe son
me ni wu me gbo me ni himbe yeme ya club me ni nga me gbo amo me ya me club
if buy ba poni ke han yeme oblano bono ade
to no fe fita ni ila ba
amenenye
wala
90 70
yeah
oh dana me jopo amenyo
ame
bi ene ye meji la amenyo me ta ba iku money eye 90
enya atwa aye ko ni Etorino town ko ni jeme ko wana yo mo tabas by this time ne eye na bu lipstick perfume papa ko ni
ya ye wala
I'm a small enjoyment. Italy.
Because in no na go to mo blofo me so ne gbo. Allo black say won egbe mo ko me.
To be sincere.
Somebody who have corona.
To be sincere.
Somebody friend who have corona.
Black will go man.
With corona.
The information, you see, man,
so what you blast PA book with corona. Bus drivers, nurses.
Man, information ko. Ko je ko solo no ba yi.
Okay.
Mono ba ke solo money.
Yeah.
You understand? Those cause such inflame me. To my knowledge and allow my informative I have never heard mainly money penny no ake gboji ko club ko na choje me Cobra
yeah.
Brofonyo.
Okay.
No me le no ni.
Legbo.
Le peji na ake no ko ni gbele.
No na ke.
Yes. Apart from no Brofo me ni mi le. Ne ko me po pondo supo denje. Me go me po if
me je corona gbele po ni awake corona gbele.
You understand?
Because papa po refer me delay one time during this corona yes the ambulance wa na ba kwele ke ni bi fe ona kwele ta na me ke o
corona
e da bi ame ke o ba money ame ke le ya hospital lo ko na kwele lo allo e ba yin shi an ko ni e ko tu fun ke ni bi ni ke
she the possibility
na me ta na me ke shi ka me ke le
le form
akele the hospital the possibility
corona is high.
Very high.
The station. Yes. They were better to lie.
In your hospital. Only corona ba ni a lockdown to me help government
Oh, no more. Ngona po aga ya bruchi nege la neba. Oh. Noni ya no eshi ani. Noni ya no e gampo na ke la neba na manga mono fi anoni. Kwesi shi ayenu. Atabenu shi aga everywhere. Bi ene onumu ya ba twa shi na ga ma shi ge box.
Nini.
Get drinks ge. Drinks e wo pack go po ke te shi.
Wow.
Chewing gum na pe opo denje. Aba wo to mo 1000.
Wow.
They 1000 she like if you know mo pi keke.
Efa.
Pi.
Wow.
Italy
na naga sama beska.
No, Italy beska.
No, noni me pi wona ko ka yi. Naga Italy to amebe more powerful.
No more work. Noni penny yo.
No, Italy
because what our tax. What our tax.
Amega tax share.
No more to mo min chuoni in pay slip baba. In pay tight po emi o. Agent tight.
Agent of fiano.
Tight automatically.
Tight no ka check.
Pop AG.
O ajiumu.
Ani Madonna ni twa abo. Ne ba twa Napoli ahun. Only again you na can story ba twa Napoli. Ahun. Be yen nu mo light nyomo ke ni.
Le Maradona.
Ne ba sla. Aje earring say ko na we na aje bill e ko. Italy ke tax share.
Amega meska share.
We be America shi. Easy. I'm sure.
Okay.
No more sky man.
Na get to amebeska.
You see, the moment ni onake to morning ke boy what at deport me cause the deportation camp jemo go ke me be me ya cause the deportation camp me ni yo jeme 5 years 6 years na me jemo lololo na ala mo lololo
akama ya sha
you can go 3 weeks no
chartered flight.
Yes. What China guys care for?
The way the document system people get police mo be wolo. The police mo be is an advantage for you.
For you mo ako ba cho me kepo wolo.
Wojema sometimes advantage you
have interested in the task. E wo ba nye bala ke show to wolo. Mi de ke mema ke show ke to wolo. Mo register ba ke show ba ko bi e ha. Okay, register boy. Every 3 months o tax baba. Oba.
E no ba cho no pay. E ko wo leje ko. E read.
Even though I'm not really akesi na kanie. My register be to mo 4.
Na me le ake na kanie. Ni bo ni. Yes.
She never pay tax. No ni mo amena di
o pay tax. O ja me saneke lutumo.
Whether wa tun odi o.
Atu ja Skale amai.
Ambai. Cases komeni UK abanya mo 2 years be na ba me house arrest. Abanya na me house arrest.
Because be won no pi house arrest. So wojemele ke akeo kebo ya ne.
So
je house arrest. Wojemele no house arrest da.
No mo da na yu akeke mo ko nto ifangbe. Ni ebe ko ne ba ya lo ito ifangbe ke a UK ni ye Africa e chombi e monda.
She mean like man tan ho wa wa e.
Ona yes, naka no mi yu akeshi. Naka no mi
you mo. Mi je wi mo pe be ni mi ba be mi na nya chuchi ade wana e clear.
Lift him.
Inle, see me like a tall houses on it.
No man, no majibo problem.
Allah, me like a queer. Man, system like how are you?
It's more way.
He can actually is only one step to.
But I never told when you landed for so many years. When I Benny was here, yo. Only but like I thought of. Need to Holland do the same thing.
Holland.
Yeah.
Ni BNL with the language barrier okay onyo push few ni o enlighten no if you like we equip if you no onyo bosh.
Okay, that's good.
Over
yeah, that's
onyo bosh.
Aya office ko no ba ya de ko la ba ko o le akeshi ne kini ne o afia edeme ko ti e ko la mo no kele ba akeshi no
afia bi
ne ken ewo ke onye like o espresso
kote
no bo ba shi
yes she call espresso no ba nye
o challenge le de la akeshi o le le wo ko le mo de taje me ko ele ewo la gbe ne ba find out
okay
because there was a time me to ma fe document ma mo ko to mo no ni ke me to ma register money mo
again free will yeah
what there mo le me ni chon here no enye keba e wo le be o document ko quality fiscal la chole e be na me senye nche e different one o the office be ke o te bien ameka anya fo te bi ameka anya fi e o te ku na amenya amefi e wo there was other one particular one o te ni ke you akesha ni ne abanya amefi because afi ko ya moko
yes
ko amoko she like afio
yeah
yo try ni find out she ba na ke she like okay there sane send message ke ya me officer ko ni ko no ni ai ba ke e wo je me lenje say no after 2 days e bi eneni e twa na ke won ba shi lele afio
no me lewo ele
na kan ko
no to ya bi o te e bi no ele
no
yo ni bi e no ba ya
information
afi na kan o ke bo won oji moko ni like obi sa lo like osumo okay ka no de ke be no mo
ake
bi ene ke musician go ba bi e ba slam so much egbe popular wa na ba ke no ko nyu eto mi no na fi moko ale residence because ben ebotemi as stories e ba mi as family visit she mo fe na kan fe le ne kwa fe show e wo no na fe na kan olu ale ne ti afo eto mi na kan olu epe ne yen ba yen ni ke ba da na lo yen mi ba yen ni ke na wo popular musician pa
wow yo bien tomo artist comme no promoter alo manager
be like personally no personally me promoter mo fi am from Uganda nyamache from Uganda, Nigeria, Ghana, well known artists then
o promoter
most call by social media handle sell p promoter wow most of the artists know le Asian fame popular ones in family.
Oh nice
amele mi wow no len pa ko kra
still
o pa ko kra despite intro ni len pa ko je no ko ni ma pa
si bien no corona ba la be no fi na ba
wana gigs watch me put them for some time now and me enchemba
slow down
but slow yeah gigs try if you take more on the online promo because in your channel say jeme then with the gigs again e share ko agbene renovations come bye.
Oh, okay.
Places say come so I have to. Ma concentrate. Na go na me to boost him golo mu.
Yeah.
More both the company me more.
More, okay.
She with the promo
Still OM.
oh gbegene beni babi ekura mi promo e ko mepo online online no ko ni 247
Gonole no jino ni o meni ne.
no ele 247 no ele jeno ko ni
O bien DJ mi do final message. Allo final word no kama.
Yeah,
Viewers.
I wish viewers a very long life. A day in and day out is an what challenge way. Okay. Don't think okay you can make it. Ne ekole min story ning babu e. Ekole pono boho Europe ekole no me wa fe no.
Definitely.
Shikani is slow down.
Yes.
Ka eno ho kokwe ne in Germany ehin no etu akeko tai ku mepi osu oyin ashi yes osu oyin ashi no shi kekase ni
Definitely.
because no na ko eku no ba move ke ya kekase ni ko no o improve o emu
Yes.
na gbe ne fimo sure ke yemi ahun o ba no ko no le fimo sure ke o ba mi ahun ya ke o ba kase na gbe ne ko e shi an o ba ni ojibu fimo sure ke o ba le o ba yin ni na nutumo because na ke no wa nu ke nu jibu e fimo sure ke o ba yin time no ho mi ni ona ko nutumo o ba yin no ke no afoe because we take me go no ni wow every weekend go from Friday Jamande lebi
Atunuchi.
Shows Kenya you understand we ko yin o ye talent ko bote abuchi ka kekato whether you mo nu ju onu oju we bushi ko yin mi àwọn ba meet mu ko ni she ona ge wo man bi ele ke je nutumo na ba o sha ke je nutumo we da no na ge Senegal Nigeria bi am lo brofo me ga mami bunoju wo problem
I mean, look for me cafe.
ona ge wanyo atai ko no star ba ni se ne info be ya yin dipo ne ba je nte post office ya fe ni no na enumoko ege me nke Ghana ege o ete Ghana da e shi Ghana e fine ke ne ge shi nge no ma ete eche she ba wish ake ba ye ko yan le number you see ke nkele bon communicate mo pe anye link me to
Moko definitely. Yeah.
oh ko to Ghana be you see these are some of the things if you know make sure more like you do your best to to prove you can she just I can't can I get life why viewers say these are some of the like advice ma'am nothing is delayed.
Inshallah.
Yeah, and whatever you begin, you have to finish, and whatever you do it thoroughly. Femolo Juba, Yohana.
DJ, when you are done, wa experience no share or share and all.
She da be in Italy.
Oh,
at least no
souvenir ni by Italy na souvenir. E o viewers mo nya fenya na souvenir ai. E o le mo fe won no ni. DJ na le you are done.
Shidawe.
Wallahi you are done. Sa jama'a nan da mu barku ni ne na ku sarkin faila o pele. To, assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Thank you for watching Sarky TV. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell.